at this vlogging thing, but this morning I was hella late and I had to catch my Greyhound to New York. So here I am now in New York, about to take a train or subway or whatever you guys call it to, I don't even know where I'm going. But I was late, so I couldn't vlog, I couldn't do anything. The Greyhound bus was full, so I couldn't vlog, all that. So here I am in New York! I'm actually terrified of taking like the subway, but I'm a big girl, so big girls do big girl things, so. Alright guys, so the first thing that I have planned, or Glenna had planned for me, is Dior backstage pop-up shop. They're gonna do like my makeup, which is perfect because y'all can see my face and shit. So we're in the world, what is the name? The World Trade Center building? Westfield Mall. Wanna see with me, but don't know nowhere, but normally just tag along. So we're heading to the Dior booth and I'll show you in a second. But that's where we're going. And gonna get to try out some new Dior products. I ain't even own no Dior products or nothing. I probably still won't even after this, but you know, it will be on my face. So this is where we're headed, to Dior backstage, and this is just, we call this an aerial view. Yeah. So inside I'm gonna get my makeup done, and I'm really excited. So let's see how it goes.
I really like to work the moisturizer into the skin. It increases the circulation, so your skin gets an automatic glow already, just from that, because the blood is rushing through the skin and giving it this natural glow. It's just...
So we're using the Air Flash Dior foundation.
Here we go.
Okay.
Air Flash foundation, an amazing foundation. It's a spray-on foundation. Now, it's amazing because you can go from super light coverage to more coverage, again, by layering, and you can apply it in different ways. Always. Down you get the shadows. Here you want to see the glow.
That is nice.
There you are.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're stunning.
Wow.
Huh? Can you see her when she came in? This is Ralph, my colleague from Lebanon as well.
Oh, you're from Lebanon as well?
You look gorgeous.
Thank you. So I just finished my makeup and took some photos in the photo booth here. Y'all see that? My skin looks amazing. This foundation like matches me perfectly. Hey guys, so I switched over to my vlog camera because my phone is dead. I kind of have like more free time to do things, and by free time I just mean hands. So we finished up at Dior and we're gonna go to Flip and Toss, New York. This is somewhere that I discovered through a food blog. Well, they have a YouTube channel as well called Devour Power, and I just saw that burger and I was just like, needed in my life, so we're gonna go there. I don't know what address is. I just know it's in New York. I think it's in Brooklyn. I think it's in Manhattan. I think I don't know. That's what I think. Yeah, so we're just waiting on Glenna and then we're gonna head there to eat. I'm actually starving. So this is where we're going. Flip and Toss Burgers. Well, Oh my god. Oh my god. So the food came and I need to show you guys all the gloriousness that is this food because it looks just as good as when I saw it on Instagram when I decided to come here. Booyah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come to mama. She's going in. Maybe not. I can't find the other end. Flip and toss virgin. So fantastic till you find it. That's what she said. I don't think it's a burger that you hold in your hand. It cannot be. Wow. Ready? Your mommy say you're not supposed to eat and dance. I live in New York, I come to this place. This is the cheesiest shit I've ever had in my life. I got something on my face. I got something on my face. Yeah, you have the burger on your face. It's working. Let's try that again. Can you imagine this with two cousins? And they say pretty girls don't eat. Guys, it's easier to buy our makeup. Don't try feed her. It's not gonna work. Where's Marin when you need her the most? Okay, so we got home late, duh. So we were getting ready. Like, all right, really, actually, we need to change the reservation. So now we have a 11 p.m. reservation. There is no other time, so Chantal needs to ensure that she is ready in time. You saw live Steve. But to be fair, she was late because she's doing my makeup. Because I can't do my own makeup because I'm a buffon. So here we are, we're at Sugar. Can y'all see that? Nope, no you can't. It says Sugar, I promise. But it's just light. So we just got here, so we're gonna go in. Well, I think we're early. Our reservation, what time is it? 11, so we're 23 minutes. Yeah, because we took the lift and not the train. Oh, okay. Yep. So let's give you a quick scan of Glenna's outfit. The leopard boots. I'm sorry, I'm this person. Yes, honey. That's Glenna for you, serving you gothic glam. So it is another day in the city of New York. We're gonna meet up with Glenna. We're gonna go to a Fenty Beauty pop-up, cause you know. I was saying to Glenna last night, like, hey, maybe Rihanna will pop up Like, I know it won't happen, but you know, a girl can dream. A girl can dream. I really love that woman. So we have a bunch of stuff planned for today that I don't remember. Most of it is like eating though. So we're walking to the train. I guess when we meet up with Glenna, I'll talk to ya. So we made it. We made it. So it was a lingerie pop-up and not a Fenty Beauty pop-up. So this is Broadway Avenue or something like that. Anyways, there's a sign. Savage X Fenty. And then you have the display, which of course is body inclusive. So I'm gonna look and see if there's anything that I like. But I know they came out with a new release. Ooh, let me zoom out. I know they came out with like a new release, but like I went online and looked at it and I didn't like it. Maybe I'll like it better in person. So it's unlikely that I get anything. But I've been wanting to buy from like the first release, but then they had that membership shit, which is like, I ain't gonna be scammed today, not today. I'm sorry, and I love you, but I cannot. This is what I wanted to buy when I saw it. We're trying to find the Museum of Sex. What was that? Oh, here's Glenna, by the way.
Hi. Never doing this shit again.
Yo, Glenna said her body is like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Where are we going again? Where are we going again? Why were we up so late?
I'm so mad.
But we weren't even...
Is this way?
Imagine if you were drinking, like for real.
That's the thing. It's not even about the drinking. It's just literally my body's like, why are we getting up so early? It's a Saturday. Why were you out so late? What's up with this? Who is this Chantal? We don't like her.
Oh my god, it can't be that bad.
It is that bad, I swear to God.
When I messaged you at 8 o'clock, I was just like, no, I'm not ready, and I went back to bed.
Big Inn is here.
I'm trying to find
We're going that way.
So we're here at the Museum of Sex. And we're gonna go inside and take the tour and stuff. But we're not allowed to record, so there's also that. So I'm going to take pictures and maybe insert pictures, or maybe I'll just sneak a few videos because you know. So let's go. Let's see the history of sex. Titties! Ah! Titties! Shit! How is it so hard to jump? So we just took like a 60-minute walk, thanks Glenna, but we're headed to Avocado Petite, and let's find out if it was worth the walk. Full of avocado. Look at this. I don't give a guac. Me either, sir, me either. Yes, please. Lettuce, avocado. ordered at Avocado Appetit, and I got a martini capri adult with meaning with rum, and then I got a lychee strawberry, or as the Americans say, lychee. Lychee strawberry. I was just like, that's not it. And they're in these cute little bags, and it's so adorable. So
LED ice cubes.
it's LED ice cubes. It's true. Okay, so let's try it.
This has more rum than what we had last
I was just gonna say it's really strong.
It's so good.
Let me try
I
yours.
can taste the strawberry.
Mine just tastes like a really good mimosa. But this is delicious. It's so sweet. Ooh. First of all, these LED ice cubes. Whoever thought of that, big up Ono. Big up Ono. Okay, so all the food's here. So I got fish tacos. We got avocado fries, and then I got avocado egg. I don't remember what did you get?
Apple egg.
Apple egg burger
It has egg
and avocado.
and bacon.
Okay. So we're gonna have the fries now. This is it. I was already. Yeah, I don't deserve this. Like, God, what have I done to deserve this? Like, why have I never had this before? It's literally avocado and tempura. It's like the most seasoned bata tempura you've ever had. And the best piece of avocado. Ooh, it's spicy too. You gotta you live in New York or you're visiting, this place is where I visit. It's adorable. And the food's good.
No, I can't get over how good this tastes.
It's delicious. We just left Avocado Appetit, and it was everything and more. So now we're gonna get dessert. So we headed to this place. What name? Its name's weird. Then it's gonna bring it up.
Emac and Bolio's.
So the place name Emac and Bolio's.
But it looks better than how it sounds.
Yeah, the name sounds trash, but the dessert sound. So that's where we're headed now. It's a 14-minute walk just to get to the train station. And then it's like a half-hour
You're gonna kill me
train
because
ride.
this fucking thing is telling me go the other way.
Again? Ghana keeps on getting us lost. And by she, I mean GPS. So let's see. Your girl Tad. So I got a sample from Sephora for the Huda Beauty Foundation. And that's what I'm wearing today. And I think I'm going to get it. Like, I like it. Between it and Dior, I think I might get both.
No, we're right. We're fine.
Hey! Good thing we didn't turn back. Yeah, it was. That avocado settling in my stomach, y'all. So yeah, we're gonna walk for like 15 minutes. 15 minutes. That's my American accent. Do you hear it? 15. 15, because they don't say T. 15. Have you ever noticed that? Americans don't say T.
Hello, what are you doing?
I'm recording myself. Whoops, sorry. Is it that way or is it that way? What does it say? It doesn't say.
Feel which plans are calling to you.
Then it's like, what are my GPS signals telling me?
HK Furniture is there, and I'm walking past HK Furniture. Alright, so we're gonna go. So.
Stay tuned, we might get lost soon. So they're doing repair on the train lines. And so we were waiting on a train on a platform that would have never come. And we're just standing around waiting for the train to never come. And we saw Shanice. And then Shanice was like,
Yeah.
And then we took the right train.
And now we're here.
And now we're here.
But we need to still figure out where to go from here.
So yeah, we're gonna do that. I deserve this ice cream. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. We made it. Jesus Christ. Emac and Bolio's. Yep, and it's only one seat, so that's great news. Hi. How are ya? I'm good. Definitely tired. These cones
Are amazing.
ugh. It's every fat girl's dream, aka me. Yeah. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So that guy asking for directions is gonna be me shortly. So I'm headed to brunch with Glenna. I'm taking the subway by myself, so that's great news. I should be okay though. I have the directions and it seems straightforward, you know. Marmot ponytail. If you haven't seen this video, I'll tag it. I hate it today, but you know, it will do. What was I saying? So we're going to Vaugant. Don't remember what it's called. When we get there, I'll tell you. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the train and head there, and then when I get there and meet up with Glenna, I'll let you know. Wish me luck.
5 minutes later.
So I got lost, but not because I can't follow instructions, because Shanice literally sent me on the wrong train. Like I took a train and she told me to transfer, and the transfer took me back to where I was coming from. But I noticed on time, so I came off only one stop. So I just transferred again. Hi. I was lost, but now I'm found. Oh wait, let me do this. Honey. Yep. So we made it to the place. Ended up finding the train that I was supposed to take, taking that, and then coming off. And then when I came off, when I came to the exit, it was literally up the road, so that was great. So here we are. Let me show you the place. It's a little dim lit, so you might not be able to see. Hello. That's so pretty. So this is the place. It's Vandal. I think it's a bunch of graffiti work and all of that. Glenna's head.
Associated Pop International Gallery.
Yeah, so that's the decor. It's super cute, and then they have like these lightings in the ceiling. Food came. Feast your eyes on my chilaquiles. I'm making that up because I don't remember what it's called.
It is
Beautiful is what it is.
yeah, it's chilaquiles.
Chilaquiles. And then Glenna got, what kind of French toast?
Captain Crunch French
Captain
toast.
Crunch French toast. Hello! Sun is hot in my face. We made it. We got lost again. But God sent someone our way again. So we made it. So we're headed to the Met. I don't think I told you guys that. So we're headed to the Met Gala.
Are we going to the Met Gala?
I was just gonna be like, that's not it. The Met Gala is the thing that celebrities go to. We're going to the Met, not the Gala, the Met. The exhibit today is on Heavenly Bodies. Woo! So Glenn has seen this one already, and she says that it's amazing. So she's taking me to go see it now. Well, I thought you said we were there, but she lied. Yeah, Glenna, I'm there means me have to walk 2 more steps, not a whole block.
I'm sorry.
These New Yorkers, they be like, it's a quick walk. She said 30 minutes later.
Oh my God, we walk for like
I haven't worked out in a while, but I think New York covered that.